I thought it was really insightful and just went really into depth in all the different things that go behind the scenes. We're spending more time up front before we get the jobs, and then it's gonna save more time at the back end.
You have a certain number of tools in your toolbox, and you were able to bring us some new tools, and I appreciate that.
I got a lot of knowledge. I'm pretty excited about what I got, and I'm glad to learn a little bit more about what I do.
Part of the aha moment was purchasing flooring, to bring that in to gain that additional revenue for the business. I think was a really eye-opening experience when we looked at the numbers of what the additional funding could be.
I would like the WBSs. I think it just gives me an insight to pre-work more than just being here's the project. Those were it made sense how to do pre-work. So I liked it.
The work orders, I think that for me is really going to help me in the future when dealing with my subcontractors and even my employees, just having that breakdown of the scope of work.
So anytime you can take what you're learning on a screen or on paper and actually put it to what you're doing, it's going to be beneficial. Taking a couple of jobs like we did today, we ground out basically 5 hours of hard work on 2 projects, which were really helpful. We're doing a great job already, but it's going to be even better just because we really ironed out a few little quirks that are hurting us and helped us set some goals and worked as a team. We have some younger project managers and some older, more experienced project managers, and so it was really good to get everybody to work together. And the project management workshop is a must-do.
I think we're going to be a little bit more efficient. It's going to keep us on a good track of a start to a finish of a project instead of actually what's next, make us more focused, I think.
More knowledge is always a good thing. The smarter I am, the more I know, the better I'm going to do for my company.
If you're looking for some more in-depth knowledge and experience from somebody who's been through the ropes for many years, then I would say take the course. It's very, very good, in-depth, and I like the in-person very much more than doing online courses.